You've led AI programs in very complex environments, and we alluded to some of the specific, particularly in oil and gas. What's the one lesson about scaling AI responsibly that you wish more executive understood?
Yeah, so good question. So I would say so trusting the AI before you scale is key here, right? Because unlike people and unlike operations, AI models fail quietly, right? Silently, essentially. So if you have these kind of errors in the AI and in the models that have been created, your people will very quickly lose trust. I spent 10 years trying to kind of deploy AI and automation systems kind of in the field, and it takes a long time to build the trust, and it takes just a few seconds to burn that trust, right? So you really need to make sure that whatever you inference you do, whatever model that you're building, it has transparency, it has feedback, and then it has governance built into the loop. So it's not just a black box that's just pumping out numbers and you have no understanding. And this comes down to essentially how you deploy the model and ensure that when you're coming up with an answer, it's coming with all the contextual information. So I think we should do this because of XYZ reason, right? And this all comes back to adding context and for the AI models and for the digital twins to have a really high level overview of what's happening in the operation.